So to clear cache and browsing data on Google Chrome, simply click CTRL+SHIT+DELETE on your keyboard and you will see this screen. From this screen, you can choose the time range, and once you've chosen the time range, you can go ahead and click Clear Data, and congratulations, your browser has now been cleared of all data, history, cookies, cache, and more. If you don't like shortcut keys, another way to get here is this right here, Chrome Settings Clear Browsing Data. I will include this in the description below, but just so you could see, if you're on Google and you go ahead and type it in and click enter, you get to the same exact page. Last method is up here with the three dots. Click More Tools and then select Clear Browsing Data, and you're at the same exact page, Clear Data. And that's complete. That is how you clear cache, data, history on Google Chrome.